Yo guys, what is up? John is here, and in today's video I'm bringing to you how to fix the crashing error and PS4 freezing issue and application crashing, the CE-34878-0 error. Starting off basically with restarting your console, your controller, making sure that after restarting it's working. If it's not, make sure you have the latest software installed on your game and on your PS4 as well. So on your game, hit options and check for update. While on your settings on your PS4, go to settings and manually do the update. The third thing that is recommended to do is to go ahead and try to reinstall the original hard drive. So when you take your PS4, you're going to remove the top cover by gently pushing inside and then pulling away the top cover of your PS4, and it should come out easily without having to push too hard. And then this is your hard drive. You're going to have to unscrew this screw right here, and then you can hold the hard drive by the small handle, and then you remove it, and then you insert the new hard drive or the old one that you used if you previously changed it. And once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and take your cover and basically slide it in gently again so that you don't break it, because remember, this is plastic you're dealing with. Now the fourth fix that I'm going to bring to you is rebuilding your PS4 database. So in order to rebuild your PS4 database, all you have to do is to hold the power button for 7 seconds to hear two beeps on your PS4, and this will put your PS4 into safe mode. And then once your PS4 is in safe mode, you're going to connect your controller using a USB cable, and then you're gonna hit in the middle PlayStation button. Once you connect your DualShock 4 controller, what you're going to do is to go ahead and hit this rebuild database, which is the fifth option. And once you do, fast forward to finishing the database, your PS4 will restart normally, and this should be able to help you fix the app that was crashing. If not, the last thing I would recommend you to do is to delete the game and reinstall it, or then delete corrupted files or updates, because sometimes when you re-download the game from the beginning or you re-download the update, it would work. So on a game, hit options, hit delete. For example, delete the game, then put your CD again. Or if you download it digitally, go to your library and then re-download the game. And then also make sure that in your saved data for the games, you do not have any corrupted data that is stopping your game from loading properly or is causing it to crash. And if you do, go ahead and simply delete it. But make sure that you do not want to lose this offline data. You always have a backup or another data saved on your system for the game. And last, if nothing is working and then like you are hopeless, you don't know what you can do, the best thing to do is to initialize your PS4. You can do it also from safe mode by using the sixth option, or you can initialize your PS4 with the update, which is the seventh option. You reinstall the software update, and you have to do it via a USB storage device, which is pretty simple. Go to this website, so I'm going to leave the link in the description, and then download from the PlayStation website the latest system software update file. All you have to do is to download this PS4 update.pup, and then you have to create a folder and name it update, and then you have to put this pup folder inside this pup file inside the update folder, and then you put it on your USB, and then you plug your USB into your console, and then you're done. But also make sure that this problem is not specific game related, because sometimes developers fix it with their updates. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.